Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Fatima. What's your name?
My name is Miriam. Nice to meet you, Fatima.
Nice to meet you too, Miriam. Are you playing here alone?
Yes, I came with my mom, but she is sitting over there. I'm playing here. What about you?
I came with my dad. He is reading a book on that bench.
Oh, that's nice. Do you like this park?
Yes, I love it. The trees are big and the flowers are pretty. I like the swings too. Do you like to swing?
Yes, I love the swings. I can swing very high. Can you swing high too?
Yes, I can. I feel like I'm flying when I swing high.
Me too. Do you want to swing together?
Yes, let's go.
Both run to the swings and start swinging.
This is fun.
So much fun. Look, Miriam, I'm going higher.
Wow, you're good. I will try to go higher too.
Both laugh and swing for a while.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. My favorite is chocolate. What about you?
I like strawberry ice cream. It's pink and sweet.
Yummy. Do you want to get ice cream later?
Yes, I will ask my mom. You ask your dad too.
Okay. Hey Miriam, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one little brother. His name is Ali. He is 4 years old. What about you?
I have one big sister. Her name is Aisha. She is 11.
Wow, that's nice. Do you play with her?
Sometimes. But she likes to read books more. I like to play outside.
Me too. I love playing outside. Do you like to play hide and seek?
Yes, it's my favorite game. Do you want to play now?
Yes, I will count first, and you go hide.
Okay, count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Miriam starts looking for Fatima.
Where is Fatima? Is she behind that tree? No. Is she behind the slide? No. Oh, there she is.
Haha, you found me.
Yes, now it's your turn to count.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
They play hide and seek for a while.
You were very good at hiding.
Thank you. You were good at finding.
Thanks. Do you like to draw pictures too?
Yes, I love drawing flowers and houses. What do you like to draw?
I like drawing cats and birds.
Wow, I like cats. Do you have a pet?
No, but I want a kitten. What about you?
I have a small bird. Its name is Lulu. It's yellow.
Ah, that's so cute. Can it talk?
No, but it sings. It makes pretty sounds.
I wish I could see Lulu.
One day you can come to my house.
Yay, and you can come to my house too.
Okay, that will be fun.
Let's be best friends.
Yes, best friends forever.
Let's shake hands.
They shake hands and smile.
I'm happy I met you.
Me too. You were very nice.
You too, Miriam. I will tell my dad about my new friend.
And I will tell my mom. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Okay, see you tomorrow, best friend.
See you. Bye, Miriam.
Bye, Fatima.